What's up guys, my name's Alex, welcome to the Bug Out Life YouTube channel. How's it going everyone, and welcome to episode number 8 of the Off-Road Camper Trailer Build. Welcome back if you're a subscriber or if you've seen my content before, and welcome to my channel if this is your first time. In today's episode, I want to get this trailer frame here pretty much ready for paint. So there's a few things we have to do before we can do that. We're going to take the trailer frame over to my mate's house so we can finish some welding on the underside of the trailer here. Also add a few bits and bobs to it, like some mounting brackets for our toolbox. And we're also going to look at building our jack-off legs for the exoskeleton here so we can take it on and off the trailer if we want to use the trailer for something else. We're also going to look at getting the exoskeleton ready and fastened to the trailer frame here, and then that's pretty much going to lead into us painting. And of course, as always, before we get into the video, if you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out heaps. And if you haven't seen my 1,000 subscriber giveaway announcement yet, please check out one of my previous videos for information on that and get into your chance to win that prize. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so like I said in my previous video, these mud guards are a little bit too tight on the frame there, so we can't get that exoskeleton in very easily. So I'm just going to drill out the holes that hold the mud guard to the scrub bars here. Hopefully that'll give us enough play to bring them outwards a bit. So let's do that. Now I think I mentioned in one of my previous videos, but I do want to cut these guards down so they don't stick down below the trailer so much. I'm thinking this front one I'll cut flush with the scrub bar, and the back one I'll probably give it about 20 mil or so that we can add a mud guard to the back there as well. So I'm going to mark those out now, and then once I get a chance we'll cut those out later on. Alright guys, so now that the mud guards are all fixed up, we're going to look at bracing up the suspension so it doesn't come falling apart on us on the trail, so let's get that done. Alright, we're back now at the Bug Out headquarters, and we've got heaps of work done today at my mate's place. We managed to get our L brackets welded onto the frame here for our toolbox to bolt to. We also got our locking system for our exoskeleton welded on the front there as well. We welded up our bracing for the suspension here, so that's not going to go, crumbling or falling off on us on the trail or in the outback. And we did some finishing welding on the underside of the whole trailer frame here. So a really good day of work. I also just want to take this time to address a couple of people online who are having a bit of a cry about me registering this trailer before the actual camper is complete. And I just want to clear the air there. So this trailer here is primarily a flatbed trailer, a utility trailer to take, you can do dump runs, you can take motorbikes, you can take quad bikes, you can use it to move furniture. And then the camper box that I'm building is completely removable from this trailer frame, and it's a jack-off system, all right? So I've registered this as a flatbed trailer, and then the camper box is the load that this flatbed trailer will take when I go camping. So I just wanna make that clear for everyone. This is not primarily a camper trailer, it's a multifunctional trailer. But with all that being said, let's get over that and let's continue building this trailer. All right guys, so we're making nothing but progress today. What we've just done there is we've dressed back our welds on the front locking system for the exoskeleton, and then we also mounted up our toolbox and bolted that through. What we want to have a look at now is actually mounting the exoskeleton to the frame with our locking latches. So I'm just going to chuck it on there, brainstorm a few ideas, see what's going to work best, and then go from there. Well, there you go, folks. I picked these legs up on the way home from work, and as you can see, they work perfectly there. This closest one to me here has a bit of aluminium weld that's protruding and stopping that leg from going all the way in, so I just have to get a little die grinder in there and grind that back, but all the rest of them fit, no worries. And as you can see, it completely works. Jacks off our trailer there high enough so we can get the trailer out over the mud guards. It took me probably about 3 minutes, I'd say, to just walk around and jack them all up myself, so it's not too bad. And obviously it'll be a bit more stable once there's a bit of weight there, but because it's so light it just moves around, but I'm pretty stoked with that. Let's go ahead, put it back on, and we'll put it back in the garage. Well, there you go everyone, we're back in the garage now and the exoskeleton is back on. Pretty stoked with how those legs worked. Obviously a few minor adjustments have to be made, but nothing too major. So in the interest of not keeping these videos too long, I am going to cut this video there. We made some great progress in this video and I'm pretty stoked with how we're going so far. In the next video, we're going to pick up on doing the latches to latch down the exoskeleton to the frame here. So we'll fabricate those, and then we'll probably start looking at getting this exoskeleton ready for paint, so then we can start putting our walls in. So pretty exciting stuff coming up. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and you can get your chance to win those great prizes that I mentioned in my previous videos. With all that being said, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope to see you guys next time. That's all for today. Peace.